was a warmer day today. Temperatures got into the 80s. 83 was our warmest indicator, between 80 and 82 for the rest of the viewing area. Now, these warmer temperatures are helping fuel the potential for some storms and some severe weather come tomorrow. But we're seeing a cap on this potential because we're not going to see those storms until tomorrow morning or tomorrow midday, and we're cooling off as we move through the evening and night. We're going to drop down to 68, and we have the potential for some isolated showers. But what we are seeing are these winds beginning to pick up. Southern winds at 15 to 20 miles per hour, gusts upwards of 35 miles per hour. Then as we move through into tomorrow, we see those winds continue to pick up. Southern winds 20 to 25 miles per hour now. Gusts could get upwards of 55 miles per hour, if not higher, depending if we do see some severe storms. Now, we are going to see some isolated thunderstorms throughout the morning and the early afternoon tomorrow, and we have that possibility for severe storms. We're going to see another day in the 80s, but you'll see here, we're going to see those temperatures begin to drop in the mid-afternoon as the system begins to move out of the area. Now, looking at our severe storm risk, we can see here we're in an enhanced risk. That's a level 3 out of 5 for the area. We're right on the edge. Christian County, parts of Christian County are actually in a 2 out of 5, a slight risk. But our biggest risk for tomorrow are the winds. I just talked about them. We can see wind gusts upwards of 55 miles per hour. We do have the possibility, if we see severe storms, is the possibility for an isolated tornado or two, or potentially some hail as well. This is if we see those severe storms move through the area. We have that wind advisory in effect. Again, this is the biggest story for tomorrow. That wind advisory in effect at 7 a.m. until 4 p.m. tomorrow. So 7 a.m. tomorrow morning until 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon. And it's for the eastern portions of the viewing area. That's where we're going to see our strongest winds. And looking at our futurecast now, starting overnight tonight, again, we're just seeing clouds overnight tonight. We could see some isolated showers. You may see a pop of green or two, but then we see by tomorrow morning, we see this line of storms that could be moving through. That's where we're going to see the biggest chance of the severe storms, of the isolated thunderstorms. But as we move through there, you see that big line. This has actually changed since I last looked at it. Before, we were only seeing some spots. Now we're seeing that full line of storms moving through the area. That's going to bring us the potential for those severe storms. Now, we are on the bottom end of this, the southern portions of that line, so that does lessen our chance for severe weather, but it is a real possibility as we move through the morning tomorrow. Then by 1 p.m., we're starting to see this begin to move out. This is where we're going to see some scattered or isolated showers, potentially tomorrow afternoon as well. That begins to move out, and then we'll be left with cloudy skies. Again, possibility of some scattered or isolated showers tomorrow afternoon, but by tomorrow evening, we're going to start to see that clear up. We may see some clear skies tomorrow evening, but most likely, mostly cloudy skies. When this is all done, we're going to see around half an inch of rain for the central and southeastern portions of the viewing area. Robinson could see 3/4 of an inch of rain, and then in the northwest portions of the viewing area, we're looking at right around 1/4 of an inch of rain. Now, as we move past this, we're going to cool off on Thursday, mostly sunny skies, and then we'll see a little bit of a warming trend, mostly sunny skies on Friday as well. And then Saturday, we're going to see sunny skies. That warming continues as we move through the weekend. And as we move forward into next week, we're going to see warmer temperatures. We're expected to be above normal for this time of year. We're in that bright red area, and we'll see that here on our 7-day. Again, 81 tomorrow, but we're going to cool off as we move through the afternoon. We do have the potential for severe storms as we move through the morning tomorrow. Then we're seeing a lot of sunshine, a lot of mostly sunny skies, and we're warming up as we move through the weekend and into next week. By Monday or Tuesday of next week, we'll be right back into the 70s with mostly sunny skies.